Hi everyone, in today's lesson I will give you a quick revision on section 7.3 before the section quiz. And for the yellow box, these are the exercises that you can do before the section quiz. And in this video, I will talk about 3 questions, and they are question 9, question 15, and question 31. Okay, so let's take a look at question 9. Okay, so in this question, we have log x cubed with base 9 over log x to the power 4 with base 3 plus log x to the power 8 with base 3. So as you can see, in the denominator, they are using the same base of 3. That means we can group the logs together using the property of log m plus log n equals to log mn. So we have log x to the power 4 times log to the x to the power 8 with base 3. Okay. And for x to the power 4 times x to the power 8, it will become x to the power 12. And afterwards, as you can see, in the denominator and the numerator, they are using different base. Therefore, we have to separate them. Okay? And we have log x to the power 3 over log 9 divided by log x to the power 12 over log 3. And we can further simplify 9 into exponential form. That is log 3 to the power 2. Okay, and then I will change the division sign into multiplication sign. And afterwards, I will move all the power into front of the log using the properties of log m to the power n with base a equals to n log m with base a. Okay, so that we have 3 log x over 2 log 3 times log 3 over 12 log x. Then finally we can do all the cancellation. So log x, log 3 and 3 and 12. And finally we can get the answer 1 over 8. Then let's take a look at question 15. So in this question we have log 5x plus 3 with base 3 minus 2 log 2 with base 3 equals to 3. So our first step, we will put the 2 back into the power. And it will become log 2 to the power 2, that is 4, with base 3 equals to 3. And afterwards, as the base are the same, then we can group the logs together using the properties of log m minus log n equals to log m over n. And for the left hand side, we have log 5x plus 3 over 4 with base 3 equals to 3. Okay? And afterwards, we want to remove the log with base 3. Then we will apply, if we know that log a x is equals to y, then x will be equals to a to the power of y. And therefore, we can remove the log using the base of 3 to the power of 3. So finally, we will do the calculation. 5x plus 3 equals to 3 to the power 3, that is 27 times 4. So that 5x plus 3 equals to 108. And 3x equals to 105. So that x is equals to 21. So finally, let's take a look of question 31. So in this question, we have log 12 with base 4 over log 12 with base 8 plus log 2 with base 4. So as you can see, there are two bases, 4 and 8. Therefore, we have to separate them using the properties of log m with base a equals to log m over log a. Okay, so that it will become log 12 over log 4 divided by log 12 over log 8 plus log 2 over log 4. Afterwards, I will change the division sign into multiplication sign. And then for the numbers 4, 8, and 4, so these numbers can be simplified into exponential form using the base of 2. Okay, so that it will become log 12 over log 2 to the power 2 times log 2 to the power 3 over log 12 plus log 2 over log 2 to the power 2. Okay, and afterwards, all the power can be put in front of the log. So that it will become log 12 over 2 log 2 times 3 log 2 over log 12 plus log 2 over 2 log 2. And afterwards, we can do the cancellation. But be careful. As you can see, in the first and the second expression, it is a multiplication sign, while in the second and the third expression, it is addition sign. And therefore, the first and the second expression is one term, okay, while the third expression is another term. Okay, that means for the yellow box and the red box, the cancellation cannot be done together. Okay, so we have to do the cancellation separately. Okay, So let's consider the yellow box. Log 2, and then log 12. So that it will become 3/2. Okay? While for the second term, log 2 and log 2 can be cancelled out. So that it will become 1/2. And therefore, the final answer will be 2.